Wow. Incredible. Hello everyone, this is me, Wolf Spirit, and well, here I am in a severe weather advisory. And didn't go off hit. Well, oh wow, went off. The power went off actually a few minutes ago. Incredible. Oh, come on. I didn't expect it to be this bad. Just tried to do my first. I was just curious and I just read some Wiccan stuff. I got to do like a rainstorm and stuff. Well, apparently I got what I deserved today. I don't know if it was my doing or just nature in general. Incredible. And there's like tornado warnings near us, like not exactly in our area, but it's like in Wisconsin. And pretty much like near like the West Coast. A little bit too strong for my first time ever doing a rain spell or something like that. All I said is spirit of like spirit of water, come this way. My crops are also dry. I asked thee to shed your tears. I asked thee, so blessed be. That's all I said. So basically, that led to this. Oh. Well, pretty much just that's this. Oh yeah, and if any Christians come on to this, your comments will be blocked. I'm sick and tired of your preaching bullshit. 3 months has been because of this storm. And blessed be.